The assembly election slated to take place in Bengal next year. The Trinamool Congress has been lashing out at the Election Commission, claiming that there is a massive fraud in voter lists, that large numbers of voters are being added illegally into the voter list in Bengal. Now, the Election Commission has clarified, rejecting the TMC's charges, saying there's no proof of the same. And in response, the TMC is all set to hand over what they deem as proof of the voter list manipulation. They're also going to be raising this issue in Parliament. So the Trinamool Congress making it clear that they will not back off on this issue. Now, the TMC has said that they will release a document detailing allegations against the Election Commission come tomorrow. And they say that this will confirm the fact that there is a manipulation of the voter list ahead of the Bengal elections. Now, remember that this is in fact a charge that several political parties, part of the India bloc, have actually alleged, including Rahul Gandhi, who held a press conference a few weeks ago to allege that in Maharashtra there was a similar scam that was played out. They've alleged the same thing has happened in Delhi, and now the Trinamool Congress says that there's a repeat of Maharashtra and Delhi playing out in Bengal. Shreya Chatterjee is joining us with more details on this. Shreya, you've got the TMC doubling down on the attack on the Election Commission, but there have been questions of what evidence they have, and we understand the TMC is saying we'll hand over this proof tomorrow.
Absolutely, that is exactly what is happening on the part of the Trinamool Congress, Akshita. They very categorically, in almost the tone of a threat suggested that tomorrow they will be coming up with a document at 9 a.m. Until then, it's up to the Election Commission to agree that this is a mistake.
They also suggest that if after that nothing happens, they will also be providing the evidence before the Election Commission in Bengal and subsequently raise the matter inside the Parliament. What we're also given to understand that at least 5 political parties, all a member of the India bloc, not the Congress though, are in touch with the Trinamool Congress over this development. But clearly, the TMC is all in mood to raise the issue, and they say they have enough evidence on the fact that how could epic numbers be duplicated in a condition where it is supposed to be a unique number.
You mentioned a point, and Shreya, just stay with me. You mentioned a point about how the India bloc is on board with Mamata Banerjee, except for one party, and that's the Congress. A news break coming in on that, because clearly there's a rift in the India bloc over this voter fraud charge being levelled by the Trinamool Congress. The Congress reportedly is not on board with the TMC's fight with the EC. 5 India bloc parties will join the TMC's offensive against the Election Commission, but this will not include the Congress. Shreya, bringing this back across to you, this is interesting because you've had Rahul Gandhi raise this very issue of voter list manipulation. He alleged that it happened in Maharashtra. He's alleged it happened in Delhi. But in Bengal, somehow the Congress isn't on board.
Well, whether or not this is something which is a development in happening is something we'll have to wait for now. What essentially the response that we've got off record is that 5 members have already been in touch with the TMC after this development has come forth, when on 27th of February, Mamata Banerjee raised this matter, and subsequently the TMC produced the evidence of a list of more than 200 people where epic numbers appear to be duplicated in states that the Trinamool Congress says are all the BJP ruling states. So this is an allegation coming in from the TMC. They are saying as of now, the Congress hasn't come in touch with them about this issue, but 5 other political parties, they haven't named them though, 5 political parties who are part of the India bloc are in touch with the Trinamool Congress over this development.
All right, Shreya, thanks very much for joining us with those details.